2003 Dodge Durango electric fan swap 4.7. It's right down there. Oh, there we go. Everybody's saying that the radiator's got to come out and stuff. I don't think it does. Let's start and see what we got. Start by disconnecting the 3 pump wires here. Just a little group. Get that out of the way. 10mm bolt holding in the upper shroud slash coolant slash washer reservoir, and another 10mm right down there. Take those 2 out. Alright, once you remove the 10mm bolts from the radiator here and here, you're just going to set the shroud assembly up out of the way. You got to disconnect the coolant reservoir overflow from here. As long as you hold it up, it's not going to leak. Take out the 2 12mm bolts here on the bracket. Let's go ahead and bend this bracket out of the way. Bend it out. Nothing's going to happen. And now you're going to remove 1 10mm there, 2, and 3. And unclip the fastener and the fan should come out. After you remove the 3 bolts, you just gotta loosen the lower shroud to get the plug out or cut the plug. And installation is reverse.